common question that I get as a trader is, how many pairs should I trade per day? By pair, I mean ticker symbol. How many ticker symbols should I trade per day? As we know, the market opens at 9:30 and it closes at 4 o'clock. So the answer to that question is, it just really depends on the trader and what the trader can handle. So if you're looking at 4 pairs, as we have right now, we have Meta open over here, we have Apple open over here, Amazon here, and Netflix here. It seems like Apple last Friday, April 21st, was in a period of consolidation for almost the entire day. It seems like Meta had a little bit of a bullish momentum. Amazon had bullish momentum, as well as Netflix, all having bullish momentum. These three, and this just stayed in consolidation throughout the period of the day. You could have still been profitable if you had traded Apple. But how many should you trade per day? Should you be switching from chart to chart? Should you be staring at all these screens? How are you going to trade this? And it really depends on how experienced of a trader you are, how much you have in your account to trade with, and how much you can just handle. I wouldn't recommend over trading. So if I were to trade, I personally like to stick to 1 to 3 pairs per day. I like to enter into my positions and I like to monitor them. And if it seems like I can enter into another one, then I'll get into that one. But I don't want to be staring at 5 different screens, overstressing myself out, overstimulating myself, having my eyes go to one chart, to the next chart, to the next chart, to the next chart, to see for the perfect entry point. In fact, I personally like my trading style to be more relaxed. So if I'm looking at a chart, let's say I'm looking at Netflix over here, and I'm about to enter into a trade right around here. Let's say I'm about to enter into Netflix puts right over here. I want to hold on to it. I want to keep my eye on Netflix, and I don't want to switch back and forth to what's going on with Amazon. Now, let's say we entered into Amazon over here, 9:50, around the same time. Amazon puts as well as Netflix puts. I would probably enter into this trade at the same time, but it really comes down to just keeping an eye on the chart. Now, if you're feeling awake, if you're feeling capable, if there is enough money in your trading account to do this, then go for it. But here at Awake, we take a more relaxed approach to it. We might keep our eye on all of these, but I might only enter into 1 or 2 positions. The reason for that being is because trading can become nerve-wracking and it can become very stressful. And the reason why that is, it's because you're taking a risk. So I would prefer to take a calculated risk and focus my attention on that one trade, rather than have my attention go from this to this to that to that. Because next thing you know, if that's the case, then I'm going to be jumping into a trade and there might be significant movement in another chart, which might cause me which might cause the market to jump or to drop in somewhere in another chart, and that might take my attention away from that. So personally, I would stick to only a couple of ticker symbols per day. Now, how would I find these ticker symbols? How do I know who are the big movers of the day? What are the best ticker symbols to trade? And the way that I might find these ticker symbols is I might go to earningswhispers.com. I might look at some of this information on this website. Or I might head over to CNBC and I might look at some of the market movers. I might look at this over here. I might look at this section right here, or I might not even do any of that. In fact, I might just pay attention to what's going on in the news. If I hear that Tesla is in the news, if I hear that Netflix is in the news, Twitter, if I hear that any Alibaba, any of these companies, if I hear any news about them, I might trade that, which would be more of a fundamental analysis approach. But apart from that, I might just stick to the same ticker symbols. And many people do that. Many people stick to the S&P, certain index funds, S&P, QQQ. Some people might stick to Tesla. Some people might only trade 1 or 2 ticker symbols for the entire year. I personally know traders who only stick to trading one ticker symbol per year. They just stick to it, and they know how to trade the technicals, and they're profitable. So you have to develop your own style as a trader. You have to develop your ability to understand how the market moves. You're going to have to understand technical analysis, fundamental analysis, reading the charts, even reading the tape if you're using another trading software. So, to wrap up, how many stocks should you trade? How many charts should you be watching as you trade? And the answer to that is you can watch as many as you want to, but I would personally recommend only a few, building comfort with that pair, because all ticker symbols don't move equally. Some of them are more difficult to read, some of them are easier to read, but I would stick to just 1 to 3.